not easy. Okay, let's go and we'll write the coding. Collection set map demo. I'll create a new class map demo. So take the main method. Basically, I'll create a map with a generic format. So interface, angular bracket, key data type, comma, value data type. If you have to mention both, then map name equal to new class. Which class is implementing that class? So interface name is a map, right? I'm going to put it in this map, product and product cost. Okay, so product and product cost, I'm going to keep it here. So please remember, keys are unique, not duplicates. So the product name is a string type, right? And the price is can be a double. So see, I'm putting a cap letter. So it's a wrapper class. It's a wrapper class. So it's equal to new hash map. So right side you don't need to write. Generally you need to write, but if you put a parenthesis, this angular bracket, that's enough. No need to write the data type. Again, one more time, you don't need to repeat. So otherwise, if you want to write the key data type and value data type, both. Hash map. So you can find the size, okay? Size of the map is hm.size method. If you want, you can print the map also. Map is. If you want, you can print the map. hm, right? Hm is the map name. So let's execute this. So we created a map. This is how to create a map. Interface, the key data type and value data type in the angular brackets, then map name equal to new hash map. This is how to create a map. So what we did here, created a map. See, both are 0 and empty here. So no elements, no entries in the map. Now I'll insert the, so how to insert the entry into the map. How can you do that? What is the method you need to use? Put method. So put method you have to use. hm dot map name dot put method you have to use. So you have to give A and V values. Okay, that's one. So hm dot put methods. Automatically you are getting a string and double values. So I'm going to write iPhone. Okay. Whatever this, so I'm just giving a randomly, don't worry about all these things. So just give that like this. hm dot put. So I'm putting all the data. So P is a string type. That's why I'm putting in the double quotes. Right? hm dot put. You can arrange all these elements like this, but I cannot guarantee the order. Order is not guaranteed, right? Sorry, it's not. Right? HM dot put. Okay. So these are all the elements I entered. As of now, you can print it now. After inserting, so what are the different elements? Size of the map after inserting the elements, our entries. We have to see entries. Okay, so let's execute it. So first we inserted iPhone, right? But so iPhone is coming first, no problem. Then what is the second one? Second we inserted Samsung, but it is coming Lenovo. Third we inserted Lenovo, but MacBook is coming. So that means you can understand order is not guaranteed. Unordered, because it stores the index based, right? Memory based. So that's why which memory it will go, we don't know. So that's why there is no guarantee for the order when you use hash map. So I want to find out particular key is present or not. How can you check? How can you check particular key is present in the map or not? How can you check that? What is the method? Contains key. It's very important, this one. You give the key and it returns true or false. So it returns a Boolean value, Boolean B equal to HM dot contains, for example, I want to check. Give the key, which key you want. So I want to check Lenovo is present or not. So you can check. So checking Lenovo is present in map HM or not using contains key method plus B. So you will come to know whether it is there or not. So you got it. So Lenovo is present, right? That's why you are getting it true. Even values also I'm printing there in the. So if you want, you can print it, otherwise leave it. Next, even contains value also there, right? Contains value also there. You can call contains value also. And if you want, you can see that Boolean B1 equal to HM dot contains value. Value I want to see. This is present or not. Contains value method. So it's a B1. So you'll get a true, right? If it is there. See, it is there. So that's why you'll get a true. You give a different value and you see that, okay? And I want to delete particular, or I want to get, suppose I want to get iPhone value. How can I get iPhone value? iPhone price?
Get key.
So get of key method you have to use. Answer is So get of key method. You just give the key name, automatically the value will get. So the value is double, right? So double val equal to, so hm dot get of, so you give the value. So what is the value? Sorry, key you give. The key is, so this is one. You give the key, it will return the value. So iPhone value is plus val. So this is the how you can know get the, this is the get method is a very important. See 75,000. So and then how can you delete particular entry?
Remove.
How can you delete particular entry from map? So how can you do that? What is the method?
Remove.
Remove, just give the key. So automatically it will delete it. Okay, entire entry will be deleted. You have to use a remove method you have to use. So hm dot, so remove. So I'll delete one of them. So let's delete Lenovo. Okay. So now you can see the map and map size. Now you deleted out of 4, you deleted one after moving. After removing the entries. Entry, only entry, one only we deleted. Okay. And so let's see now the size. See 3. So the Lenovo is gone. So this is the how you can, all the methods I'm just showing how to call, okay? So let's see how to join one more map. I want to join. How can you join? So let's see, I will create a one more map. Okay, let me create a one more map. So same type. So double wrapper class. hm1 equal to new hash map. Or linked hash map I'll create, okay? Linked hash map. So for linked hash map, what it will do? Same type of day, insertion order it will return to you. The insertion order it will return. So linked hash map. So import from the java.util package. hm1 dot put method, and so I'll add adding some more elements. Okay, so any other products you can give
Refrigerator.
refrigerator. Okay. So whatever the brand you want to keep it. So okay. So like this you can, we added it 2, right? So 2 elements we added. I want to join this map and this map. How can you join 2 maps? How can you join 2 maps? So what is the answer?
Collection of
Put all. Put all.
Okay.
Give the map.
Map.
Name. So automatically they will be joined. So hm dot put all So give HM1. So now both will be joined. Now you can, if you want, you can just print them. So now HM1 values will go and insert in the HM. Inserting many entries. Okay, so let's see now. So same order it will retrieve for us. The washing machine and iPhone, MacBook, Samsung, refrigerator, all. So entered. There is no order, right? Order is not guaranteed. But here the order is 70. So order is guaranteed there, right? So that's how you can see that. Okay. So now, very important methods, two methods. Then we'll go for the interview programs. Here, how can you get all the keys? How to fetch all the keys from collection? Sorry, from the map, right?
Map.
So what is the method? You need to use key set method. So which returns set view of keys. All keys it returns. Set the strings. So key data type is a string. That's why keys collection equal to hm dot key set. You can see that set is returning a set collection. So in set collection, you import from java.util, and you can use iterator or you can use for each loop. So for this, I'll use a for each loop. For a next one, I'll use a iterator method. Okay, let me both use so that you will get a confidence on the for each loop and iterator method. So iterate the collect keys. So what is the data type of collection? String a colon collection, right? So or otherwise you can put a key. So just print the collections key. So all the keys you print it. So I'll just now print in the next line. All printing in the same line, bringing all of them into one. Okay. So the next one. How can you fetch all entries? This is the one entry, right? This is the one entry. This is the another entry. So how can you bring the entries? So to fetch all entries, you can use entry set method. What is it? How can you fetch all entries from map? So what is the method? Entry set method. It's written again set collection, but the return type is map.entry. So key data type is a string and value data type is a. So what is the value data type? Double. Entry collection equal to, so hm dot entry set. Now this is the data type. This entire thing is a data type. Now iterate, you can use iterator. So this is the collection, right? You can use iterator. So use iterator and you can get all the iterators, or you can use a for each loop also to iterate. So iterator also you can use, whatever you want you can use, right? I'm going to use for each loop. Let me use for each loop. So the data type of this collection is, this is the one. So that's the data type. First you have to write the data type of your collection, right? Then ent space ent colon the collection name. So I'm giving collection name. This is the collection. Then, so this will represent the each entry. How can you get each entry key and value? There is a get key and get value method. See, ent dot get key. So for this plus ent dot get value. You get the key and value pair. So let's execute this. See this? So these are only keys, right? But these are the key value. Key value. How are you getting the key? Get key, get value method. So with this. So these methods only I'm going to repeat again in the interview programs also. So make sure you are strong on this key set to, entry set to, then remove get method, put method. These are the methods only we'll repeat. Yeah. Let's go and see the first interview program on the maps, string programs, but let's see interview programs on strings. String interview programs. So take the main method. So you want what type of method? Static or non-static?
Both.
Both. So private, static. Your method has to return a map. Your method has to return a map. So what type of data it has to return? The method has to return to you. So basically the program what we are doing here is in a given string. So in a given string, write a program to find the occurrence of each character. The count, how many times it is occurring. Each character in given input string. You got it now? So you give the input for the string, for the method. Suppose now tell me each character how many times occurring. Say how many times occurring?
3.
3. Next. A how many times occurring?
2.
Next B how many times occurring?
1.
Next 2. 2 how many times occurring? 1.
1.
E how many times occurring?
2.
2. Next S how many times occurring? 1. P how many times occurring? 1.
1.
The map. So this is your map, key value pair. So what is your key data type and what is your value data type? Can you tell me?
String.
Huh?
Character.
Character, right? Single character. And what is the, so number means integer. So these are wrapper classes. You cannot use here primitive data types. You have to use wrapper objects. Okay. So get occurrence of each character. So in a given string. So this is the one your method should return a map to you. Your method should return a map to you. First step. Step 1. Create a map. First you create the map. So map, same already we created here. That I will take. So I'm creating the map. First step, that is the one. HM equal to new hash map. So this is the map we are creating. Second step, step 2. Convert the string into character array. Convert the string into character array using string class method toChar array method. So this toChar array method will convert the given string into character array. The return types in the string class, 100% methods are return type methods. You won't see a single void method. There is no void method in the string class. Every method is a return type method because they returns a value to you. Now character array. So ch equal to str dot toChar array. See that the method is toChar array. What it is converting into character array. In which class it is there? String class. That's the second step. Step 3. Iterate the array. Iterate the array and check the map contains the each character. Okay, so that's the one. For each loop you can use. For each loop, the data type of array is char C colon ch array. Now C is the each character. HM dot contains a key. So that C, if that C is there in the map, if it is there, what we need to do? You need to put that key there and the value you increment by 1. Okay, HM dot port. So put that key and the value, how can you get? Value of key. How can you get the value of key? Get method, right?
Get value.
Get of C plus if it is already there, you add by 1. If it is already there, the key is already there in the map, you add by 1. So else, if it is not there, it's the same key you update with the value 1. So this is the one. And the return HM. This is the method. So we are going to call this. So you call this method. So how to call the return type static method? In the same class.
Method name.
Return type static method in the same class.
Method name. Data type. Variable name equals to method name.
Return type.
Return type method name parenthesis.
What is the data type of this method? What is the return type of this method?
Map.
What is the return type of this method?
Map.
What is the return type definition I have told you? What is the return type definition I told you?
Map type integer.
What is the definition? First of all, can you tell me the definition of return type? How can you find the particular method return type?
So before the method name.
Class name.
Before the method name.
The keyword that is placed before the
Keyword,
method name. That's a return type of the method. So all basics and we very nicely explained, but you're not utilizing them. That's a bigger problem here. So then the method name is this one, parameterized method. So you have to give parameter value. So print the map. This is a returning. The what type of data it is returning? Map it is returning. That map I am printing. See that? So P occurs one time. A occurs twice, 2 occurs one time, S occurs twice, E twice, V1, J 3 times. So this is a character and integer. Is a character and value is integer. Is a character and value is integer. Key is a character and value is integer. So this is how you are going to do that. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. These are all methods topics we explained. I'm reusing that here. Right? String value in the book. Parameter value. I'll say parameter value. I don't want hard code. Parameter value. So whatever the data type is, that data type you can put it. These generic formulas, these are all everywhere used. That's it. Here also I used the method concept. So return type of the method, variable name equal to string object dot return type non-static method. The method is the highest priority you have to give. See, here also why I have written the methods here. Everywhere you are going to write the methods in your automation code. Not only automation, even in development also. So methods is the highly used topic. And people are not realizing that, but we cannot do anything. Okay, it's up to you. By practice, it will come. Without practice, it won't come at all.